32 degrees out, just snowed last night. I don't care. I got a new kayak. I'm going fishing anyway. Let's see if we can get something to bite. Yo! All right, man, what's going on? Yeah, that's what I figured. Oh, I know. I was watching the temperature all morning. I was like, 20s. I don't know, man. Less than a month. Let's go.
Right? I can't believe it. Cheers, dude.
I'm so ready.
Oh, I'm not.
Yeah, that's true. All right, first cast. First outing on the new ride. First impressions, feels plenty stable. Not really expecting to catch any fish today, but you know, who knows, maybe we'll get lucky and get one. Today's more about just getting this thing dialed in. We got less than a month before the Bassmaster Championship out in Tulsa, so I just want to get this thing dialed in to where I feel comfortable on it before I get out there. I think I freaking got one. I got one. Holy crap. Dude, I got a giant. Are you kidding me? Dude, that's like a 19. Well, 17 3/4, close enough. There we go. All right. Heck yeah. First fish on the new ride. That was a good one. It's a good omen. We'll take it. Got another one. And a nice one. Oh, jeez. All right. Hopping a chatterbait off the bottom. 41-degree water. What do you think about that? Just a quick one. Okay. Here we go. All right. Well, I guess I made the right choice. It was about 25 degrees when I left my house. Weather app said it was supposed to get up around 32, 33, 35 tops. I was like, man, I don't even know if it's worth going out. But, I mean, new kayak, sitting there just waiting, just staring me in the face, calling my name. I was like, you know what? I don't care. I'm going out anyway. I'm not, even if I don't catch anything, I just need to get this thing on the water, start getting it dialed in before this season. And what do you know? I actually got a couple. Ran into my buddy Chen Char over there. He saw when I launched. He's actually one of the guys who qualified, who also qualified for the kayak for the Bassmaster Championship. So we'll be rooming together out in Tulsa. He's out here doing the same things, trying to dial in some new stuff on the boat. Get ready. Less than a month we'll be out there doing some work, hopefully cashing some checks. Got another one. Looks like another good one. Oh, heck yeah. I don't like being out of the water when it's this cold, which I can understand. A lot warmer down there at 12 feet, I bet. Not bad. Number 3. Heck yeah. Let's go, son. Get out of here. There you go. Flip over. There we go. Just letting this jackhammer fall all the way to the bottom. I'm just sort of lifting it kind of slowly, not hopping it super aggressive, just lifting it and let it fall. And of course they hit it on the fall. Got a couple of new baits I want to try out, but how the hell can you switch it up when this is working so well? Alright, I'll try switch it up a little bit. Try a Dirty Jigs guppy head, a little pintail. That's all the rage. The jig head and a minnow, even though I don't have forward-facing sonar, but that's all right. I can still get it on the hot new trend, right? Don't know if this is the right color for here, but that's what I got on, so I'll throw it for a little bit. What do they call this? Strolling? When you just cast and retrieve the jig head and minnow rather than fishing it vertical with forward-facing sonar, I think. All right, let's try out this Hog Farmer. What is this? This is the mini whatever umbrella rig. I forget the actual name of it, but this, I know they just came out with a micro, but this is the mini. Never tried this one. The only A rig I've ever thrown is the umbrella, so I'm excited to try this one. I hear the Hog Farmers are supposed to be pretty nice, so let's see if they want this thing. Number 4. Another decent one. Heck yeah. Nice. A spot. That's a spotted bass. Alright. Let's get us a measurement. We got a bag working here. Heck yeah. All right. One more, we got us a bag. See if we can do it. Jackhammer off the bottom's the only thing they want so far today. Getting close to quitting time. I was only planning on putting in 2-3 hours. I'm gonna come back out tomorrow because it's gonna be about 10-15 degrees warmer tomorrow. But you know, I got 4, so of course now I feel like I can't stop until I get 5. See what my tournament bag would have been if it was a tournament day. It's all right, even if I don't. Really successful day, I would say. You know, 32, 33 degree air temperature, 41, 42 degree water temperature, mid-February, Colorado. 4 good-sized fish. You know, that is a solid day. And like I said earlier, I really was not even caring if I caught anything. It was mostly just about getting out and getting a feel for the new ride, and it feels great. It feels awesome. I got no complaints. A couple slight tweaks here and there I might make as far as storage and where I put everything. Still need to come up with a better solution for where to keep my soft plastics, but overall, what is that? Oh, yeah, overall, I am super happy with it. Might want to upgrade the rudder at some point. It doesn't seem to turn as well as my old Slayer 10, where I had the upgraded rudder on it, but you know, it's not bad, but that's one thing I might want to upgrade on it. Anyway, let's see if we can get number 5 here. I'm just sort of going back and forth on the North Shore. You know, this cold, North Shore is going to get the most sun, so that's always a good place to go when you're not exactly sure. You know, but I've never been on this pond. I've been in this area, but never this particular pond. And a good rule of thumb this time of year, or late winter, early spring, not sure where to start, let's go to the North Shore or the Northwest. Those areas are going to get the most sun. They're going to warm up the quickest. So that's what I'm doing, and so far it's worked. Alright, we got number 5. Doesn't feel as big as the others, but that's all right. That is a limit. I didn't realize these were all spotted bass. That's why they're all so floppy and angry when I get them in the net. It's going to be my smallest one. We're still going to work our way back and try to cull this sucker. Alright. Number 5, 14-incher. Let's take him. Let's try to cull that sucker, and then we'll get out of here. We'll call it a day. Alright, I think we're going to call it a day. Ended up being pretty good, you know. 5 fish, I think right around 80 inches, maybe a little under 80, but awesome day for my first outing on the new Slayer Max 12.5. Loving it. I'm going to come back out tomorrow. It's supposed to be a little bit warmer tomorrow, so maybe they'll be biting even better. Let's see. But anyway, Thanks for watching. Give a like and subscribe, and until next time, get after them.